Hi there! In this video, you will learn how to create a filter template using the new filtering module in the Tweakwise app. This is how you control exactly which filters your customers see. Setting up a filter template is easy. We will cover two steps: configuration of the filter template and linking the template to a category. Step 1. Configuration. We will add and configure filters to the template. Navigate to Filtering, then Filter Templates in the Tweakwise app. Click the New button. Give your template a clear name. For example, Standard Filter Template. This is the name of the whole template, so not for the individual filters. Next, set the maximum number of visible filters. This controls how many filters show up in total in your web shop sidebar. Let's set it to 10. Now, you can add the individual filters. You can choose between adding filters one by one or adding multiple filters at the same time. Let's select multiple filters. For example, brand, color, and price. After selecting your filters, click Save. Now, you can configure your individual filters one by one by clicking on them. Let's configure the color filter by clicking on it. Name and attribute. The name is what the customer sees. Let's type color. For attribute, select the actual data property from your feed. Select the attribute that contains your color values, typically named color. Now, select the type of display. Choose the best way to show this filter. For color, the color box type makes the most sense. For other attributes, you might use checkbox or a slider. Note that the available configuration settings below will change depending on the display type you select. Check the support documentation for more info. AI Smart Filters. These features automatically optimize filter order and display based on visitor behavior. They ensure shoppers always see the most useful options. You have 4 powerful options here. 1. Determine filter position based on usage. This automatically moves the most used filters for a category higher up in the sidebar list. Sort filter values based on usage. This makes the most frequently selected options, for example, the color red, appears at the top of an individual filter. 3. Show filter only when minimum percentage of relevant products is reached. This prevents the filter from appearing unless a certain percentage of shown products actually have a value for it. 4. Hide filter when only one filter value is available. This removes filters that offer no real choice, like only showing brand A when all products on the page are brand A. Enabling these features allows the system to automatically optimize the user experience. Scroll down to Filter Values. This controls how the color options within the filter are presented. Sorting values. This determines the order of options like red, blue, or green. You might choose alphabetical, A to Z, but you could also sort by the number of results or even manually. Switch Put Selected Values on top on if you want the options the customer has already picked to stay visible right at the top of the list. Number of visible values determines how many options appear before the Show More link shows up. Let's set this to 5. Fill in the text for show more or less text here. Remember to translate this text if your shop supports multiple languages. Switch Show Amount of Results on. This tells the customer exactly how many items they will see for each option. You also have options here for collapsing the filter, search, formatting, or help text. For this video, we'll keep it simple. Check the support documentation if you need to use these or if you want more info. Selection logic. Since we want customers to select both red and blue simultaneously, make sure Allow Selection of Multiple Values is on. When multiple values are allowed, you must choose OR. We choose OR so products that are either red or blue are shown, and is rarely used in this context. Click Save at the bottom. In this overview, you can also see which position the filters have, what kind of filter it is shown as, whether the filter is visible or not, collapsible or not, and if AI Smart Filtering is used. You can also click the 3 dots for making some quick changes. After configuring all your filters, click Save and Exit. Step 2. Linking. Your template is ready. Now we must tell Tweakwise where to use it. Find the category where you want the new filters to appear. You can select the main root category or a specific subcategory. On the right, select your new standard filter template in the relevant dropdown. Click Save. To summarize, you've successfully made a filter template in 2 steps. You've configured your individual filters and linked it to your desired categories. Always remember to run the publish task to make your new filters visible live on your shop. You now have full control over the customer filtering experience.